how to learn maths very easy and fun. Let's start. Today we're going to learn subtraction, addition and multiplication. Before having fun with all these numbers, we're going to understand how to do the subtraction. We are starting with 5 minus 2. So there's 2 box. We're going to count and see what is the answer here. 4 and 3. So 3 is the answer. 3. We are subtracting 2, so counting backwards. 2 box inside the 2 boxes is 4 and 3. So 3 is the answer, Let's do the next one. This is 8 minus 3. So there's 3 boxes. We're going to count backwards to see what is the answer. Let's count. Okay, after 8 is 7, 6, 5. So 5 is the answer. 5. Let's do the next one. Let's do 6 minus 1. So there's only 1 box and we need to count backwards. There's only 1 number. Do you think what is called? You're right, it's 5. So 5 is the answer. Now let's do the fun activity. Now randomly we're going to pick 2 numbers. And let's do the subtraction. I think I want to take this number and this one. Now let's flip both of them to see what number are those. This is 4 and this is 1. And let's take the minus. And let's put the last number. It's 1. Number 1. Now 4 minus 1. Let's do that. It means there's only 1 box left. It's 3. So the answer is 3. Let's try number 3. Okay, now we are done with this subtraction. Now let's move to the second subtraction. Let's do the next one. Randomly we're going to take 2 numbers. Is 10 and the other one is 3. Now we are subtracting 10 minus 3. Now let's see how to do it. There's 3 numbers to count it backwards. It's 9, 8 and 7. So 7 is the answer. Now let's learn addition. Now we are learning addition. Subtraction is backwards, addition is forwards. Now let's count 2 boxes to see what that adds. 6, 7. So 7 is the answer. 7. Now let's do the next. Now we are adding 9 plus 1. Now let's count what does after 9 comes. 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Now let's do the last one. Now let's add 6 plus 3. So there's 3 boxes. So we're going to count frontwards. Frontwards all the 3 boxes is 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the answer. 9. Now let's do the fun activity. Now randomly we're going to pick 2 numbers. I think I want to take number 2 and number 5. Now let's put both of them in a whiteboard to add the numbers. 5, and don't forget the plus. And the last number is 2. Now we're going to count and add, and we're going to count and see what is the answer. Next at 5 comes 6, 8, 7. So 7 is the answer. 7. Now let's do the next one. I think I want to pick 8 and 1. Now let's put 8 over here. And let's take the place down. And take the 1 and put over here. And the 1 is the last number. Now we're going to count and see what is the answer. Now there's only 1 number left. So after 8 is 9. So 9 is the answer. Let's do multiplication. It's easy. Now this 2 cross 2. So for that we're going to put 2 horizontal lines. 1 and 2. Now let's put the next 2 lines. Now let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 dots. So the answer is 4. Now let's do next one. 4 cross 3. Now let's do 4 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do 3 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 dots, so the answer is 12. Let's do the last one. It's 5 cross 2. Now let's do the first line, the 5 line. Horizontal lines. 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do 2 vertical lines. 1, 2. Now let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Hope you all enjoy doing maths with me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.